Because it's not just organization, it's your operating model, then it's your how you deliver and so on. And those things we had to go through in the last 2 years. Then as our professionals, our IT professionals, we really want them to understand the business processes and the way we make money as good as the general managers. This concludes my presentation. Is this the way to say it's lunchtime? So what do you think? I think, well, thank you very much. I guess it's lunchtime.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is an actual fire alarm. Please slowly exit the ballroom. Thank you.